Hi guys, what's going on? Gamers for here, and today, anyway, I'll be doing a review of this Daihatsu Mira 2016. And anyway, if you're not here, make sure to subscribe my channel, press the bell notification, smash the like button, and let's get into this. So anyway, this model has been manufactured since 2013 to 2016. So 3 year long production. So this is a basic one, yeah, as you can see, pretty much basic. So I'm gonna show you special about the front, but it's pretty much like Toyota hybrid vehicles, as you can see. The blue thing makes this echo because this has the echo idle system, which is good. As you can see, the lights looks a bit like the lights of the Peldura Viva Elite, so because it's also Daihatsu. Yeah. So we got lights, as you can see, fog lamps, like no fog lamps in this particular. So we do not have the lights with this, instead you get it here. You get rims over wheel cups, not alloy wheels with this, so pretty sad, yeah. And yeah, you get silver metallic silver looking door handles, then yeah, and then these are tinted there, so again silver. Fuel tank looks bigger, very big. So you can see the backlight. I don't get the idea of the design really. Yeah, where are the blue stuff? Yeah, so yeah, yes, badges and stuff. As you can see, so brake light, no wiper. So pretty much that's what you get with this. So I'll show you the 2 ways to unlock the car. So no, I'm gonna show you. So now I'm gonna show me unlock with this. So yeah, as you can see, how much like space you get. So when you do this, like probably you could actually you could fold these seats from here. So I had to push these to fold these to get more space. Though yeah, so you have stuff. So you could fit 2 to 3 school bags. Then really the space is gone. The space. This is actually made for city running, so that's why this doesn't have that much space. That's just a hatchback. Okay, so okay, close that. Now let's get into the car. So as you can see, so I'll show you. Let's lock. Now I'm gonna insert the key. If you're old school guy, definitely this is like I recommend actually doing that because like you could keep your like a battery charge. You know how like you have batteries. Had to insert batteries into the remote and actually like get most. Okay, so before we start the car, I'm just gonna show you the review interior. So yeah, as you can see, so yeah, like cream interior. So yeah, so the seat colors other seat. This is also a cream seat. And back, I will show you later. Okay, so we got gear system, as you can see, just normal, but what I'm surprised, I'll show you later. So this manual climate change, this is auto, but so these are manual. So yeah, you get 2 water pudding, or we have used for others here, where you open your fuel tank right over here, then handbrake, more storage here, 12-volt power outlet over here. And anyway, glove box pretty small. Yeah, very small. So yeah, air vents pretty cool. This okay. Now I'm just gonna start the car. So I'm gonna put brake on. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not gonna fully start the car because so yeah, so the setup on this is, actually like aftermarket, so you can change this anyway. whatever you like. So yeah. So here, like usually when you turn on this, like as soon as you start, it would show you like his CVT. Oh my goodness, I turned on the wipers accidentally. Okay, so it goes. Oh my goodness. Wait, why is this? How did I turn this on? Pretty sure yes. Is this stuff working? Yes. Yes. Okay, yep. So as you can see, this is where you get your info right over here. Info, where's the parking? Yes. Your digital speedometer. So when you go in like speed, as it increases, like these get to different colors here. Heat normal, yeah. As you can see, battery. This means like this driving thing and like the handbrake has to be down. That's what it means, really. So get a lighter there, down there, yeah. So okay, let's see. Open this. Okay, we got automatic, yeah. Okay, so yeah, you can't do. Okay, as you can see the thing. Yeah, wipers here. So this is actually manual. That's actually manual. You could actually turn off the echo idle because yeah, you could if you could turn off. But I recommend to keep echo idle very useful when you use the traffic instead of traffic. Because when the echo idle is actually on traffic, it maximum like lasts to 4 minutes, and then you get back, and then in a small while you get back to the idle. That's the technology of the Daihatsu Mira. I'm pretty sure you get manual seat levels. You get more space in the doors. This is a handle, not storage, okay? Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So it's a mirror, and then you could put stuff here. Then you get the mirror. Here, handles like to hang stuff. Actually, it's only there. There's only like one of this. So yeah. So guys, anyway, let's get top of the car. So yeah, so this car gets a 650cc engine, but it's definitely performs better than a 1.5 liter engine. So yeah. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye for now, gamers.